Thanks for joining David, Kevin, and myself for the educational video for the month of October. October is financial planning month, so it's a great time to take a step back and make sure the plan still fits all the goals and everything you want to accomplish. Your plan is one of the most important documents that you can have. It's what guarantees that you get to all the goals that you want to accomplish in the most tax and cost effective way. I'm going to pass you over to David and Kevin. They're going to go over some of the other things that are important to help you stay on track. But as always, take care, and if you need anything, please don't hesitate to give any of us a call. Bye-bye.
As we know, life can move fast. One day you're starting your first job, the next you're moving into a new home, getting married, having children, and then suddenly you're planning for your retirement. Updating your financial plan is a critical component to making sure that you're staying on track through all of life's changes.
And your financial plan isn't just a one-time project. This is a living roadmap that changes as you do. Maybe you got a promotion at work and your income is increased. Maybe you bought a house, you just took on a mortgage, or you've just paid off your mortgage. You could start a family, or maybe you've decided it's time to retire. All these changes can impact how the plan is set up and how this can change with how you save money, what accounts we recommend you save money to, like a first home savings account, an RSP or TFSA. So making sure that you review this with us every 1 to 2 years is really helpful and crucial to making sure you stay on track with how that roadmap is set up for you.
Not only can your life change, but external forces can impact your financial planning. Obviously, the markets are dynamic and ever-changing. We may have to rebalance your portfolio or adjust your asset allocation based on your stage in life. Obviously, younger folks with longer term goals can afford to be much more growth oriented and take on more risk, but retirees may want to have more emphasis on protecting capital and paying out a regular cash flow from their portfolio while still having some exposure to growth areas. Other factors like governmental changes as it relates to tax policy, new accounts. A couple of years ago, the first home savings account was created. And so we stay up to date with all these sort of different tax legislation changes and how it might impact your financial plan, and getting together, like Kevin said, at least once every 2 years to update your financial plan and integrate those tax changes that have occurred into your planning is crucial.
And for many of us, the biggest fear we have is the fear of the unknown. And so making sure your plan is current and up to date helps give us confidence that we know exactly how we're saving and how we're planning for the future. And by updating it regularly, we again gain confidence in knowing that we're staying on track to meet those goals. And if we start to waver, what corrections can be made to get back on track. And that really helps bring peace of mind when we don't have all these question marks on our future. We have a roadmap that we can see long ahead of time where we want to make changes and how we want to make those changes.
Yeah. If you haven't ever done a financial plan with us, now is a great time. As Harry mentioned, it's financial planning month in October, but every month is financial planning month here at our firm. We do hundreds of financial plans each and every year for our clients. I would say over 90% of our clients have had a financial plan done, and most of them within the last 2 years, as we regularly update them. But if you're not sure as to when the last time your financial plan was updated, give us a call. We'll tell you exactly when it was and whether you're due for a review or not. Another thing is that, our commitment to our clients is to do financial plans for your referrals. So your family members, your children, your parents, if they've never had a financial plan done, please let them know. We'd be happy to do it for them free of charge. It's our service and our commitment to our existing clients to bring that peace of mind to your friends and family as well. And for those who have never had a financial plan done, I always see a lot of relief on people's faces once they recognize, hey, we're on track, or maybe we're not quite on track, but we can get back on track with a couple of recommendations or changes that are in your control that can be made. So feel free to reach out again if you guys have any questions or if you'd like to update your plan. Harry, Kevin, and myself would be glad to speak with you.
Take care.